Is yawning contagious?
Our prediction is that when one sees another person yawning, they will yawn as well.
When you start to yawn, powerful stretching of the jaw increases blood flow in the face, neck, and head.
The deep intake of breath during a yawn forces downward flow of spinal fluid and blood from the brain.
Cool air breathed into the mouth cools these fluids.
Step 1. Sit subject down anywhere you please and explain the rules of the procedure which go as follows. Please watch this video and focus your attention on how many times Emily and I yawn all together. But what we don't know is that we're really testing to see if when Emily and I yawn in the video, will they yawn directly after. Step 2. Play the video for the subject and calculate how many times they yawn during watching the video. Third and final step. Repeat the past 2 steps for every subject in the experiment.
After experimenting, our hypothesis was supported in most cases. Most of the time when a person witnessed a yawn, they would react with a yawn as well. We thought it was interesting that the older participants tended to react less when witnessing the yawns, whereas the younger subjects frequently yawned. If we were to do this experiment again, we would try to focus more on the location of the test subjects and what time they were tested.
Yawn seal. Rich yawn. You did it.
You missed mine.
too.
Oh my god, they're like big breaths.
Yawn.
That's a real yawn. This is such a boring song.
Are we getting everyone to think?
Not you. Like more detailed, like drums and stuff.
You're awful.
It's in that one.